My name is Audrey and I run the recipe website 2pinkpeonies.com. Today I wanted to share an easy copycat recipe with you for Chicken Salad Chick's Classic Carol Chicken Salad. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to make Chicken Salad Chick chicken salad is we are going to fill a large pot with water. And then after that, I want you to add your chicken tenderloins to the pot. Okay, got them all in there. Okay, so I've got my large pot filled with water, and then I've added the chicken tenderloins. I'm bringing the water to a boil, and once it's to a boil, I'm gonna reduce the heat and I'm gonna cover it with a lid. We're gonna cook these for about 8 to 10 minutes or until there's no longer any pink. All right, so while the chicken is cooking, I've got my 1 rib of celery in my food processor, and I am going to run this and make sure it's cut up really, really thin. Okay, so I've run my food processor and I've got it minced up pretty thin, and I'm gonna set it aside while the chicken cooks. The next thing I need to do is measure out the mayonnaise. Again, we're gonna use Duke's mayonnaise, and we're gonna need 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. All right. So I've got it measured out. Maybe a little too much here. I'll take some back. Got it measured out, and now we're gonna keep waiting for the chicken to cook. Okay, so I've added the cooked chicken to my mixer. You can use a stand mixer like this or a hand mixer. I let it cool for a little bit so it's not like steaming hot while we try to do this. So I'm just gonna put it in place, and I am going to mix this up. It's gonna shred the chicken really fine, because if you've noticed chicken salad chick, it's not like shredded with a fork or chopped, it's shredded up really fine. I like to put this towel over it so little pieces of chicken don't go everywhere. Just be careful if you do that. You don't wanna get it like wrapped in the hook, especially with the hand mixer. You'd probably be more likely to do that than with the stand mixer. So anyway, I'm gonna shred this chicken up with the mixer. So here we go. All right, so next we're gonna add our remaining ingredients. So I've got the celery. Again, I chopped it like as fine as I could with my food processor. And I just did 1 rib of celery. So you don't need a whole lot. Then I've got the seasoning. Just gonna give it a good stir in there. And then I've got the mayonnaise, the Duke's brand mayonnaise. Put all the mayonnaise, and then we're gonna stir everything up really well. So you wanna make sure you stir it really well because it's got that seasoning blend. You don't want someone to get a big bite of garlic or a big bite of salt or some unmixed celery or a big glop of mayonnaise, right? We want to stir it really well. All right, so I've just got a croissant, and I've got a scoop of the Chicken Salad Chick Classic Carol here. All right, oops, my croissant fell apart. This is what it looks like. I hope you enjoy. I think it tastes really close to the restaurant. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to grab my free Copycat Recipes ebook. I'll link it below. Enjoy, guys.